Hello and welcome to another episode of A World in a Word podcast. I'm Soni Thakkar and we are in conversation with graphology expert Mansi Thakkar. Mansi, glad to have you with us again.
My pleasure.
In the previous episode, you read or analyzed some handwriting samples. हमारे टीममेट के बारे में आपने कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताए थे. अभी इसके बाद क्या? What next?
सोनी, अब इसके बाद हमने डायग्नोस तो कर लिया. जैसे इफ़ यू आर नॉट वेल, ब्लड सैंपल्स हम लैब में भेजते और पता तो चल गया कि ओके दिस इज़ द इशू, आइदर द विटामिन इज लेस और द हेमोग्लोबिन इज लेस. सो नाउ the doctor will give you medicine straight or either increase or decrease whatever is supposed to be done. Same way, up whatever the trait which she is not ready or she wants to change, that can be changed. And that can be changed with a change in the way she makes her signature or certain letters which she needs to make a change. Like we've all learnt our ABCDs when we were way back in school. So the way we write our A or B, so those certain letters we need to change the way we write it.
So you were talking about a certain slant back, to the left or to the right, or those are the things.
Yes.
One of the things.
One of the things that we need to change. We have to make a conscious effort to change the way we write. Obviously, we've all practiced our handwriting way back, but still we've been doing the way we wanted to write. So we have to now again train, go back to school kind of a space where we will only change the letters which we need to change as per our traits. So every letter, every way, it stands for a certain trait.
So all our team members that, they agreed to all the analysis that you did. And so now after you give them the suggestions and they do the practice, how would they know that the changes are happening?
It's going to be a slow process. Obviously, as I mentioned or we all know, graphology or handwriting analysis is not a predictive science. So it cannot be like if we need something, a small thing or a ritual or a certain thing to be done and it will be sorted the next day morning. It is an ongoing practice which the person needs to do. It's like you want to change your body type, either you want to lose weight or gain weight, you need to actually be there for the diet, in and out every day, gymming or yoga, all these different ways that we practice to change the way we look physically. Keep on doing the change which I suggest. That's called graphotherapy. Keep on doing that same thing over and over again over a period of time. So they say that to change a habit you need 21 days. So that's how you keep on doing it every day, slow by slow, and it's going to be a gym for your mind wherein you will see the change. So it's you who's going to change as a person. Your perspective towards life, to other people is going to change, and the world is not going to change. So you will see a change in how you behave and the others will fall in place.
Therapeutic tool है.
Yes.
तो जो एक है डायग्नोस्टिक टूल और ये है थेरेप्यूटिक टूल, तो एक तरह की थेरेपी है जो हम अपने माइंड को दे रहे हैं. और मुझे एक फ्रेज बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये माइंड का एक जिम है. When we change, the world changes its reaction. Otherwise दुनिया नहीं बदलने वाली है, वहीं की वहीं रहने वाली है. पर हमारा जब बर्ताव चेंज होता है, बदलता है, तो लोगों का भी हमारे साथ बर्ताव बदलता है. और वैसे ही हमारे तकदीर या हमारे जो नसीब हैं कुछ हद तक हमारे राइटिंग के साथ बदलते हैं. तो आपका कोई ऐसा निजी कोई अनुभव है, यानी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस where this change has helped you also?
Yeah, so I will talk about myself only rather than talking about the people that I have worked with. The signature which I used to have before marriage or even after marriage, not much of a change. So as a person, I remained the same. But when I did graphology 12 years back, मुझे जो दिखा कि गलती मेरी है, so I wouldn't use it as गलती, but ये मेरा देखने का नज़रिया है जिसकी वजह से दुनिया ऐसी ही दिख रही है. So जब वो बदला, so I can actually, we can show it to our viewers. So ये जो signature मैं करती थी before this whole graphology thing happened to be, उसकी वजह से अगेन मैं किसी को ना नहीं बोल पाती थी. एक मेरी पर्सनालिटी बिहाइंड द कर्टन्स थी पर्सनालिटी, बट ऑलवेज बिहाइंड अदर पीपल. Not outgoing, not a person who can speak well, or not a person who, more than that, scared to really come out in the open and talk. और अब जब मैंने बदली है तो ये कुछ ऐसा है. So as you see, my two signatures, one is the previous one and one is the latest one which I do. It's so logical. मतलब आपने नहीं सीखा एनालिसिस, फिर भी आप समझ सकते हो कि पहले में एम बिल्कुल दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
मानसी का जो एम है वो बहुत
मेरे नाम का जो एम है, इट्स नॉट विजिबल एट ऑल. पीपल हैव टू आस्क, ओके व्हाट इज दिस? द ठक्कर इज सो विजिबल, बट माय नेम और माय इनिशियल इज आल्सो नॉट विजिबल, व्हाइल द सेकंड वन, द मानसी, इज सो क्लियर. सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड इवन फॉर अ लेमैन. और आपका भी अगर आप ऐसा सिग्नेचर है तो आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी है इन रियल, वो बाहर ही नहीं आ रही, लोगों को पता ही नहीं है. और एज अ पर्सन ऑल्सो यू आर फीलिंग अ लिटिल दिस, दैट वेयर एम आई, वॉट इज माई ओपिनियन, वाई आई कांट state my ideas in front of people so easily, whereas the others are doing it so well and so easily. So this is where it lies, कि आपने लिखा ही नहीं है आपका पूरा नाम. तो जब से मैंने शुरू किया है, there is a lot of change in the way I think about my ideas, how I'm putting it across to others in a more assertive and a positive way, and people see that. So when I meet my friends after a long time, they say, okay, what's happened to you? That before you were so timid, you wouldn't even say what you wanted to do, or what you wanted to, even like a small thing of what you wanted to eat. And now you have your opinions, which make a lot of difference and makes you a very different personality.
Mansi, if people want to consult you, because just like as many of us have, and we have benefited from your, from your insight, how can people book a counseling session with you?
They can mail me. I have a website, or they can always WhatsApp me, and we can take it forward depending on where are they residing. We can do it over Zoom, or we can do it one-on-one.
Absolutely. And of course, we have all the contact details in the description. So you can scroll down and you can click on all those links. The links are to Mansi's website as well as her contact details. And stay with us for some more episodes coming up on all aspects of graphology. There's so much to learn, so much to discover about ourselves and to become better people so that we can contribute to a better society. So thank you at present from both of us, Soni Thakkar and Mansi Thakkar.